You having fun?
Yeah.
Today, this is my daughter Presley. My man, how are you?
No.
You're a woman?
No.
You're a little girl?
Yeah.
All right. Is this your bike? You want to look at me?
No.
Presley, how old are you?
3.
How many fingers is that? And you already know how to ride a motorcycle?
Yeah. But the big rocks, I can't jump over.
We're not going to jump over big rocks, that's for sure. Just houses. I have built her own helmet with a GoPro. This is actually my old camera. I got on the phone with Senna and they sent me a 10R for her. So now we're going to be able to communicate. So essentially we're doing a dual vlog today. All right, Presley, let's put your helmet on. There you go.
Yeah.
Can you hear me through your helmet?
Yeah. I stepped on a big rock.
Look at that. We gotta let it warm up, okay? You can hear me okay?
Yeah. Papa,
What?
I want to go.
Wanna go? You're ready? All right, Presley.
What?
It's very important that you remember how to do this.
I know how to do it, Daddy.
We went over it.
Yeah.
Presley, do me a favor.
What?
Where's the brakes?
This is the brake.
Okay, how do you go fast? All right, look at me. You ready for this? Go slow, okay? All right, stop. All right, go. Keep going. Look at that. Are you having fun? All right, turn around. This Senna stuff is great. Good job. Slow down. Slow down. 3. Keep going. You're all right. Good job. Good job. All right. Follow me, okay? Not too bad, huh?
Very nice.
All right. We're gonna stop it for a second and then we're gonna talk. Was that fun, Presley?
I want to do it again.
You wanna do it again? Do you think you can follow me? We're gonna be safe? All right, let's turn it around.
Daddy, I want to ride again.
We're gonna ride again. You're gonna ride with me this time. We're gonna ride together. So, she's 3.
We're gonna race.
We're not gonna race. Do you wanna race?
Yeah.
No. You can hear me okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry, your bike.
We're gonna go really slow, okay?
Okay. Mine's not starting.
It died?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start it. Okay.
Yeah, your bike.
Okay. All right, let's go. Just go slow. This way. You're doing good.
Daddy, there's truck.
I know. Stay away from him. Keep going by me, okay? Go ahead of me. Keep going. Go straight. Okay.
I got stuck.
It happens.
Daddy, I just wanted it straight on the tracks. I want to stay on the tracks. I'm gonna race you.
You're doing good. I'm watching. Keep going straight. This might be my most fun day ever riding motorcycles, Presley. Do you know that? What happened? There you go.
I'm stuck.
Yes, you are. Keep it going. Look ahead of you and keep going. You having fun?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Keep it going.
You're so fast.
Okay, be careful over this, okay?
Oh.
Is the bike still running? Okay, give it a little bit of throttle, a little bit of gas. A little bit more. Are you stuck?
Daddy's too big, so I can't climb. I only have small wheels, Daddy. And you have big wheels. Dad, he's going super fast.
Yeah, we don't want to go that fast.
I'm going backwards.
Well, hit the brakes. All right, let's go. You're doing so good. Hit the brake. All right.
Daddy's so smart.
Okay, look where you're going. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go slow.
Mommy.
Are you stuck again?
I'm always stuck, Daddy.
Sound like me.
Daddy, because look it, there's a lot of rocks I got stuck on.
All right, go. Keep going. I'm behind you. I'm watching. Keep going. Go. What happened?
That desert is full of people.
Keep it going. Keep it going. You're doing good. Don't slow down. You get stuck again. Ooh, we're gonna go through a tunnel. That'll be fun, huh?
Yeah, but what tunnel?
It's coming up. Come on.
Daddy!
What's wrong?
I'm too fast.
Okay, well, go as fast as you want to go. You get stuck again? All right, turn the wheel to the left.
Still stuck.
Are you still having fun?
Yeah. A tunnel. We're going over the tunnel.
Through a tunnel. We're going through a tunnel.
There. Is that one where the tunnel is?
What's that?
Is that one where the tunnel is? But Dad, I want to go. I'm down. Every time I go through a tunnel, it's so noisy.
That's not too noisy.
But one time when Mommy was in the car, it was noisy when we got there and then you run for it. Daddy, I don't want to go through it.
You want me to go first?
No.
It's fine. It's safe. Okay, stay here. I'm gonna go look at the tunnel. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Oh. Elsa's in here. You want to see Elsa and Olaf?
They're not inside.
I'm
They
looking
were-
at them.
No, they're in the castle. That's a tunnel. They only live in the castle.
You like it when I spin the tire?
Yeah.
That's my favorite part about motorcycles, spinning the tires and wheelies. You want to learn how to ride a wheelie?
No. It also has a hole.
Yeah, see? It's not like a cave. That's it. Can you go through that?
I think so.
I think so too. Want to go look at more?
Yeah.
Make sure it's safe?
Yeah. It's like a cave though.
Do you feel safe? We can do this? Okay.
I still want to ride, Daddy.
We're gonna ride. We're not done. Whenever you want to go home, we can go home. I don't want you to be out here unless you want to be out here. Are your hands warm?
Yeah. It went out of gas, Daddy. Unless we're stuck forever. There we go.
Keep it going. It's sandy, so keep it going. Go ahead, more gas, throttle. Go faster.
I'm stuck.
Okay.
Daddy, I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. Want me to ride the bike through the tunnel for you?
Yeah.
It's really sandy. I think it's gonna keep getting stuck. I think we gotta turn around.
No.
Because the bike doesn't want to go in this. You don't want to turn around?
No.
Can you go? Alright, hold on. Let me see what it's like over here. It's so sandy, Presley. I don't know.
But Dad, you're going. You're not stuck.
I know, but I'm on a bigger bike.
But Dad, I'm not bigger enough.
You are bigger enough. You're plenty bigger enough. It's the bike that's not bigger enough. You're just learning. Don't forget. You're doing amazing. So far, this is the most fun I've ever had on a motorcycle. Understand? Next time we'll find a different place to ride dirt bikes.
Yeah.
Slow down.
Daddy, I told you you have to go.
Go up the hill. Go. Ready?
I don't want to go now. I want to wait for you.
I'm right behind you. I'm just going to have to help you up the hill. Go ahead. Keep it going. Keep it going. I'm right behind you, all right? Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Too
Keep it-
bumpy.
Keep it going. Keep it going. Roosted by my own 3-year-old. Go slow, okay? Good job. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, we'll turn around. Come here. Come here. Give me a hug. You did so good. I'm very proud of you. Why are you upset? You want mama? Okay. I'm sorry we keep getting stuck. We'll find a better place to ride next time, okay? All right? What?
I don't want any walk.
Okay. Let's turn the bikes around and we'll go. You want to walk back to the truck? That's a long way. We're going to ride a little bit. It'll be easy though because we're going downhill.
But Dad, I don't want to go through a tunnel.
We'll walk through the tunnel.
Are you going to walk too?
I'll walk with you. We're almost to the truck. Let's go. We'll get back to the truck. We'll get some ice cream or something. Want some ice cream? Some water and stuff? We'll just go back. We don't have to be out here, but we do have to get the bikes back. So let's do that. And then we'll leave. Sound good? Give me some of the... I want you to have fun. I don't want this to be at all stressful or not fun for you. I know it's frustrating when you get stuck. Next time we'll find somewhere to ride where we won't get stuck, okay? Yeah. Those mountains?
Yeah. Those ones don't have any.
We're doing it together, huh?
How about your bike?
Okay. Can you stay here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get my bike. Okay, I'm right behind you again. Go slow. Remember where the brake is?
Yeah. I pushed it.
Okay, don't go any faster than that. Go slower. Hit the brakes. Look, we're back in the truck. We're okay. We're done. You can get off. I gotta go get my bike though. You want to sit in the truck? I don't think it's expired. Oh, it's expired. I'm sorry.
Okay, just make sure you get a new one, okay? It's just a warning on that. Okay? So,
Does it cost me anything?
no, just a warning.
Oh, okay.
Just saying that I contacted you about it, okay?
Yeah, fair enough, man. Sorry about that.
Make sure you get a new one.
Presley, how much fun did we have today? High five.
More fun.
Are we gonna do it again?
Yeah.
I had such a special time riding around with you. All right, so we're gonna end the video. Do you remember how to end the videos?